In 2002, Ghostrider performed his most famous ride, the Uppsala Run. At 10 p.m. he drove the 68 kilometers between Stockholm and Uppsala through the traffic in just 14 minutes and 55 seconds, with an average speed of 273 kilometers per hour. 2004 he rode the Uppsala Run again, but this time at 4:30 p.m. in rush hour traffic. And even so, he broke his earlier record. Now, in 2005, he's riding a turbocharged, fully carbon fiber 285 bhp Suzuki Gsx-r 1000 K5 with a top speed of 340 km per hour. He will now, for the last time, try to break his old record. Uppsala Run 3, Live or Die, the final attempt. This is fucking boring, so let's fast forward. Hey Ghost, wake up! Look at the time.